Good day everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Snap-on 2023 Holiday Gift Guide. This one's valid from November 1st to November 30th, 2023. You'd have to be nuts to miss these deals. So we may get another one in December, no guarantees, but what I do know we'll get in December is we'll get the monthly flyer. So I'll post that as soon as I get it, which will be before December. All right, so let's get in here. These are gifts under $100. First, we got some Snap-on scissors. They call them shears, and they are almost $60. Get a better focus on there. There you go, $57.50. We got a magnetic hanger there. It's $91. Beanies aren't on sale. So you know what my advice is? I'm just letting you know Snap-on's got some cool swag. Go to the truck and make your best deal. The one thing I did find what was interesting out of here was these portable power packs. So they take a regular, well, I shouldn't say regular, they take an 18-volt rechargeable Monster lithium battery and it converts it to AC current. The price on that is $88.95, so I think that's pretty reasonable because you are getting a converter. This one here is just a power saver. Anyway, I thought that was kind of interesting. Over to the next page, we have socks. Lots of socks, and the socks are gonna cost us about $8. Again, go to the truck and make your best deal. And down here at the bottom, we do have a battery pack there, and that's $94.95. All right, enough said about this page. Let's move on to the next one. Now we have some flexible magnetic tool holders, and I do like the Snap-on magnetic stuff. Right over here, you can see I bought this one, and it's awesome. So anyway, let's keep on here. Let's not, divert too much. So here they got this really flexible one, and you can stick them to the side of your car, although I wouldn't advise it. What are you gonna pay for those? You're going to pay $37.25, so not cheap. What do we have next? We have these, which is, I guess it's like a tool clip. So you can just clip whatever tools you want to the side of your toolbox. Unless you're using something all the time, I don't really know why you would need that. The pry bar holder for $57.50, that I can see you needing because pry bars, you're always using them and it saves space. It's handy to stick them on the side of the box. I can see you using those, but these, maybe not so much. And then what else do we have here? We have magnetic wrench rack, and that is $66.95 for your magnetic wrench racks. And then here we have some trays. Now I want to ask you all, for these trays, are they worth the money? Because you see so much stuff that is just a heck of a lot cheaper on Amazon. And is the Snap-on stuff really worth it in terms of trays? Anyway, I'd appreciate someone to comment if you could just on that. That's all I'm asking, not too much here. So what do we have here? It looks like we have some air chucks. So if letter G, if I go over there, yes, we do. Instinct air chucks, and those are the price for them. Mini flashlight, $94.95 right there. We do have a nice little pick set right there. So that's kind of nice. And what's that going to cost us? That is $72 for the Instinct pick set. Now, one of the things I did want to get was this non-marring pick set. I've been looking at it for a while and I just can't pull the trigger, but you know what? It's under $30 now, $27, so I think I'm gonna pick it up. The one thing, when I picked up this flyer, I did notice right away, and I told my dealer to order, is this right here. Super duper low profile screwdrivers, 23 and 26 respectively. They are super low profile, so if you gotta get into a really, really tight spot, they are Phillips design, but right near the windshield or between the seats where it's just super tight, these are priceless. So I'm getting one of those because, well, I was going to say I had a knuckle buster the other day, but I did save my skin. But anyway, I could have really used those. And then long range punches here. There's a price for the long range punches. They're on sale for mid-50s, and that's what they look like if you're looking for something like that. All right. Let's move on. So here we got a light strapped to your head, and it is going to cost you $117. It's quite a bit, but it's probably a decent one because I bought one off Amazon and I really regret it. And I actually use it when I'm cleaning my dog's teeth. So I know, don't laugh, but anyway, that's what I use it for. So I may actually just splurge and get a Snap-on one. It is on sale. Now what we have here, it looks like an adjustable floodlight. 1100 lumens is pretty bright. Where we hear letter B, and that's $125 for that. This is interesting, new steel stopper kit. So as you can see here, I still use the old-fashioned ones. You guys will probably know what these are for. I guess now they have a new design here that clips, and it's just a lot easier instead of threading them. So they are on sale, but they're $115, and I don't know what I paid for these. You can see they're quite old, but it was probably like $10. And they work. So anyway, it's up to you. It is up to you. They got some project lights here, and again, 119 bucks. And then you got a heavy duty long pick set. So that's kind of nice, but we know it's going to cost us, and it's 114. It is Instinct handles. Let's move over to the next page. Let's flip this over. So now we got screwdriver sets. I do like the quality of Snap-on screwdrivers. What are they worth here? That's what they're charging you for a set, and let me prove it to you so no one calls me a liar. There you go. I do like Snap-on screwdrivers. All right, now let's move back over. If anyone has bought one of these micro storage units, please let me know. You know, $141, but I want to know, how big are they and are they cool? Like, I would actually seriously consider getting one. I know they say don't forget the cover, but I don't think I'm going to buy a cover for one of them. And if you are curious, the cover is $25. There they have a Blue Point multimeter. It is on sale for $152 right there. And then they have some constant tension cutting set, I guess for brake lines and stuff like that. $235. Let's flip the page. Let's flip the page. We're getting there, everyone. We're getting there. So what do we have here? More gifts under $250. Add some power. This one, you're going to have a special box that's compatible with it. And mine isn't. Mine's a classic box. Anyway, it's still $146. We have some more rechargeable lights. What are the rechargeable lights worth? $243. That's for the helmet. I'm looking for the lights here. There you go. Micro lithium lights. And they are $155. Keep in mind, it is the tool only. They always like to sell you the battery separate. I wonder why. Anyway, 500 lumen angular light. This one that is on sale for $153 might actually be not too bad. And they're right here. You can angle them, you can hang them. It might be great for underneath the dash. But this one actually caught my eye. You can clamp it, and you got kind of what looks like a floodlight. You can pivot probably when you're working on suspension or underneath the vehicle. I think this one would be very, very handy. And how much is that one going to cost us though? Yeah, it's going to be just over $200. Mind you, it is non-marine. So let's keep on. What do we have on here? We have some flank drive wrenches on sale. I can't believe the price of the wrenches these days with snappy charges. There's the price. Yes, you are right. But I do stand behind them. I love my Snap-on wrenches. Just again, so you don't call me a liar. There you go, Snap-on wrenches. Okay. I just don't need people calling me out saying, you know, I'm supporting something that I don't buy. Okay, but some of the stuff I really don't buy. And if I don't like it, I'll tell you so. I'll tell you so. So now they have a jack here. Now, floor jacks here, I don't know, it is super expensive. And the only one that's on sale is the 2-ton. Now, I must say, floor jacks, I can't stand behind this because I don't own one, so I really don't know. So if someone owns one of these floor jacks, is it really worth $1,000? Because here's what I use for a floor jack. So I actually don't have a Snap-on floor jack. Next up, we got jack stands. Whoa. Okay, I'm not even gonna say that price. I'll just let you look for yourself. And under the hood, or sorry, not under the hood, under the dash creeper, that could come in very, very handy if you have a car that, you know, you're getting under the dash. So I can see that coming in handy. Although I think it's going to be expensive, and yes, 500 bones. Okay. Well, it's 500 bucks. Next up, we have our micro lithium cordless toggle screwdriver. Again, $545. What is with these prices? Inflation, I suppose. All right, next page. What do we have here? We have a bunch of stuff. Now, we know it's all the stuff's going to be over $250 because it's obviously all rechargeable tools. Let's just see here what the stuff is worth. So 3/8 Monster Drive lithium brushless cordless impact wrenches. We get a kit for $1140. The tool only is $520, so quite pricey, I must say. And then the right angle screw gun is $675, and there you got it right there. $675. You can get them in a bunch of colors. Probably get orange because it's kind of like Halloween. Anyway, what else do we have here? We have a die grinder. Now that would come in handy, but $800, very priced for it. Tool only, $460, and an inline die grinder is $710, and that's what they look like here. Now these things here, I'm actually surprised how much Snap-on charges for them. I don't have Snap-on, I have another brand. But if you go here, you can see here, we're gonna get 8 pieces, and we go over to E here for our carbide set, and it is $472, so pretty crazy, guys. And then here we have just some batteries here, and that's $467. There you go, there's your batteries. Let's keep moving. Gifts over $250. Alrighty, here we have a portable MIG welder, and yeah, that's gonna cost us $3,000, and it's not even on sale. The OBD2 breakout box is on sale, $319. That's what it looks like right there. So you can plug it into your OBD port. And then instead of trying to put paper clips in, you can actually, it'd be very easy to do some checks that way. So that could come in quite handy. And then we got our helmets, which I don't know why they're so crazy expensive. They just are in every flyer. And then we got a multi-functional combo light here, but it's $463. And that is it for the 2023 holiday gift guide. But keep in mind, this is a gift guide. I'm hoping we still might get a better sale, but I just don't know. We are going to get a flyer of the month for December. I'll have that out in November. Stay tuned for that. None of these are on sale, but if you pick up a set of pliers, you could be entered to win a Snap-on Model T Atom Brick set. So is that an Atom Brick set? I guess it is. I don't know. I don't even know what an Atom Brick set is. I don't know. It says Atom Brick set, but that looks kind of like a Model T to me. Anyway, that is it for the gift guide for 2023. Thanks, everyone, and I'll see you again.